بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. Today, I want to speak to your heart with love, with concern, and with a sincere desire for the truth. There is an upcoming event in Chicago titled the International Islamic Peace Conference, also known as the World Ijtema 2025, scheduled from June 27 to June 29 at the Donald E. Stevens Convention Center. On the surface, it appears to be a peaceful gathering for the sake of Islam. But my dear brothers and sisters, sometimes what appears to be light may actually be a form of darkness in disguise. This ijtila is being organized by a group that follows Maulana Saad, a figure whose ideas and interpretations have deeply concerned the scholars of Islam around the world. He has made statements that distort the meaning of the Qur'an and Hadith. He has disrespected senior scholars, and he has rejected the principle of Shura, the same principle upon which the Tablighi Jama'at was originally built. Because of these actions, leading ulama from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Africa, the Middle East, and even America have clearly declared him and his ideology as misguided, a fitnah for this ummah. So I ask you, with love and humility, would you attend an event where the foundation is based on deviation? Would you support a movement that the scholars of truth have warned us against? This is not about hatred. This is not about creating division. This is about preserving the true mission of Dawah and Tabligh, the mission of humility, unity, sincerity, and obedience to Allah and His Messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My brothers and sisters, please do not attend the Chicago Ijtema 2025. Do not support or promote any gathering organized by followers of Maulana Saad. Instead, hold firmly to the path of the scholars of Haqq who continue the blessed effort of Dawah with knowledge, humility, and respect for the teachings of our deen. Let us not be deceived by big banners or large crowds. Truth is not measured in numbers, but in alignment with the Qur'an, the Sunnah, and the understanding of our righteous scholars. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from fitnah, guide us to the truth, and unite our hearts upon the straight path. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.